When you start making serious power with your 5.0 Ford, the stock distributor shaft is one of the weaklings. Our MSD Black Pro-Billet distributors answer the need for an affordable replacement in a strong and great-looking package. Each distributor starts as a solid 6061 T6 aluminum billet that is secured into a state-of-the-art CNC machine where it is transformed into a precision housing. This design is responsible for supporting an oversized polished steel shaft that reliably drives high-volume oil pumps. The shaft is also QPQ coated for friction reduction and corrosion resistance. Inside each housing, there is a billet shutter wheel which operates with minimal runout and provides excellent cylinder-to-cylinder timing stability. This Pro-Billet distributor uses a stock-style trigger pickup and OEM quality module to accept factory connectors and provide excellent reliability. For installation, you simply remove the stock distributor and bolt the Pro-Billet MSD in place. Each model is supplied with a high-quality cap with stainless steel terminals for full spark delivery, heavy-duty rotor, and a steel gear to work with factory roller camshafts. Detailed installation instructions, including cam gear break-in lube, are included. Thanks for watching.